Hello everyone, and welcome to Womble's Hive. It's the Archie's countdown to Christmas, and we're already on day 14. But let's have a look at yesterday's colour. It's a lovely warm pigment pink, but then it's got a beautiful blue silver shimmer over it. So it's a little bit confusing when you look at it on the paper, but it's super pretty. And I'm not even a pink person. But let's find number 14, which is called Secrets. So what colour do we think that is? Anybody got any ideas? And it's right there, look. Nah. If I were naming them, it'd probably be a silvery colour. But I don't know what other people think about that. And we've got candy on the other side. Oh. Right. What colour do you think it is? Are you ready for the big reveal? And there it is. Oh, it is silver. Nice. I do love silver. And the last one that we had on last year's was amazing. So, let's get this one wet and see how shiny it is. Will it be iridescent? Will it be glittery? Looks iridescent. I'm not seeing glitter just yet. Ooh, there's lots of it in there though. You see it swirling around in the water. And it's such lovely big dots. Kaylee does not skimp on what she gives. Oh, and it is such a lovely silver. Look at that. Oops, I'm getting stuck to the washi tape. Professional streamer at work. Oh, it's so shiny. Oh, if this dries half as good as it is wet, it'll be amazing. Actually looks shiny on the camera already. So this is number 14, Secrets. As you can see, it is a grey silver. And I think as I turn it, you can see the iridescence a little bit. But wow, it's going to be amazing when it dries. And of course, I will show you tomorrow. Are you a silver kind of person, or are you more gold? Or is one of these other colours more you? Let me know down below. But so far, Nordic is winning. We'll see what Secrets dries like, but I also like sugar cookies. And I feel like I'm going to like Secrets as well. So, I will sit here and wait for that to dry and enjoy it a little bit before you, but I'll show you tomorrow and let you know. Until then, find something that makes you smile. And as always, be happy.